The words of Steve Jobs on his deathbed go parallel with the theme of today's readings. He whispered, "I reached the pinnacle of success in the business world. The wealth that I took so much pride in has paled and become meaningless in the face of impending death." Yes, the money that most of us worship today does not make us happy, no matter how much we possess. It makes us selfish and takes us away from God. This is the reason why, in the second reading, St. Paul invites everyone to seek what is above. Our human tendency is to focus on I, me, and mine, like the rich man in the Gospel. He is considered a fool not because he is wealthy, but because he lived only for himself. He showed no gratitude to God for the bountiful harvest. Saint Ignatius of Loyola, the founder of the Jesuits, whose feast the Church celebrates today, was like the rich man, enthralled by the vanities of the world until the cannonball hit his knee and transformed him to put aside his worldly desires. He began to seek what is above and to work for the greater glory of God. Saint Ignatius, who placed God above everything and saw Him in all things, invites us to share what we have and be men for others.
Lord Jesus, help us discern our path and be men and women for others, like Saint Ignatius of Loyola.